Hello guys, how are you and welcome. In this lesson I'm going to guide you on how to configure a DHCP server on a router in Cisco Packet Tracer. In this case, configuration is very simple as long as you have a basic knowledge of IP addressing. Now let's do this. Here I've set up a router, a switch, and 3 PCs, PC1, PC3, and PC4. And here are the commands that I'm going to use to set up DHCP server configurations. First thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to assign an IP address to interface FA0/1. Okay, let's do this on this router. Let's go to command line. Okay, let's do this to make it simple. To do this. Okay, let's say enable. Okay, let's say config t. Let's give our router a name, host name. Let's say DHCP router. DHCP router. Okay, interface FA0/1. The IP address is 192.168.10.1. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Enter. Say no shut. Okay, now that we have finished our first step, the second step, we need to configure a server on the router. In the server, we will define a DHCP pool of IP addresses to be assigned to hosts, a default gateway for the LAN, and a DNS server. We are going to use these commands to set a DHCP server pool. Okay, let's go back to our router. Okay, let's exit, and we say IP DHCP pool, and we'll give our pool a name. Let's say LAN1, and the network address that we are going to use is 192.168.10.0 network, and the subnet mask is 192.55.255.255.0. We enter, and the default gateway that we have assigned to our interface FA0/1 is 192.168.10.1. That's the default gateway. And the DNS server is going to be 192.168.10.10. Okay, let's exit. Okay, now that we have finished the second step, we are now going to execute the IP DHCP excluded address command. This means that the range between these two IP addresses are going to be excluded when assigning IP addresses to clients, and that range is also used for static assignment to key hosts. Let's execute the command. Say config t. It's IP DHCP IP DHCP excluded address is 192.168.10.1 up to, it's going to be excluded up to 192.168.10.10. okay, then we execute, exit, then we exit. Okay, now let's go to every PC, and on their configuration, on their IP configuration tabs, we need to enable the DHCP, and every PC should be able to obtain an IP address, default gateway, and DNS server. Let's go to every PC and IP configuration. Let's say DHCP. Okay, it's now obtaining an IP address. So 192.168.10.11, the default gateway, and the DNS server. Let's go on PC3 and do the same again. Okay, here is the IP address, the subnet mask, default gateway, and the DNS. Oh, that's good. And let's do it on this PC and DHCP. Alright, that's good. We now have everything is now working good. Alright, so let's try to ping PC1 from PC4. Let's check the IP address for PC1. The IP address is 192.168.10.13. From PC4, let's go back to PC4. Let's go to command prompt. Let's ping 192.168.10.13. okay, we're getting a reply here. Everything is correct. So this is how we can configure our commands for DHCP server on a Cisco router. Please follow me for more videos, guys.